What is up, everybody, and welcome back to Sun Up Builds. It is a beautiful day, got a little bit of overcast, but it's still nice and sunny. Got some problems going on with the White Z today. Gonna go ahead and figure out a fuel problem. Don't seem to be getting fuel for some reason. I kind of did a couple things off film and still ain't getting any fuel, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and see if there's a couple other culprits, like checked all the wiring. Okay, this is a 2+2, so it's got the back seats. This wiring right here goes down underneath and then runs over straight to the fuel pump. After that, it's fuses, relays, stuff like that. I've checked pretty much all the fuses and relays, all except for one problem that I can't really check that well. I know there's ways around it. I found it on like the 2+0 models, but not really anything on the 2+2 models, so I'm just going to go ahead and replace it rather than trying to splice some wires. So this is what I got going. Got a new fuel pump module, bought it off of somebody used, and then the relay that usually goes with it. So in the 2+2 model, let me zoom out. If you're on the driver's side, it's right there. See that guy? You take off the back seat, and then there's a panel right here that covers it, and you just pop that off, and that's where it's located. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that replaced over really quick, and let's see if we can get some fuel going. I don't know if you guys can see it that well, but there was one screw right here on the bottom and then another screw right where that blue thing is. That should pull it out. I think I'm gonna put a little tape on there just to kind of help hold it, because it seems like the back of the clip where it slides into is a little bit broken. So let's go grab some tape. Let's go ahead and get this wrapped up. Alright, got her all wrapped up. Let's go ahead and get this plugged in. Oh, let's not plug that one in. That's the old one. Let's try plugging in this one. Alright. This goes this way. Okay, got all that replaced over. All right, let's go ahead and put the battery in, try and see if we can get some fuel now. Negative. Positive. All right, we got power. Let's see. Is she gonna fire up or not? Well, that definitely looks like that's what the problem was. I'm glad I just replaced it rather than trying to tap into it, because I've always heard tapping into it can cause the fuel pump to run at 12 volts all the time, and that's not really good for your fuel pump. You'll end up replacing quite a bit of them, but yeah, she's running. Yeah, let's go check her out and see what she's got.